Fantastic recipes. Toes, liver, heart, brain. Let's make snowballs and throw them at people when there's snow. Yay, it's snowing! We can make snowballs now! Fun gutties! Halloween adventures. What body parts are the dips on today? Hanging tendons and ligaments. Hey? How about a tooth or two? Well, let's call in the tooth fairy. Cow's tongue, cleanly sliced. Don't forget the veggies. Your liver also stores vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. I got dibs on the liver. How about this eyeball? It's been gutted. Well, it's got to be useful for something. Nothing goes to waste around here. All this candy is sticky. I got dibs on the epithelium plate. The epithelium plate is gooey. These ears are pretty cleaned out. Yeah, I got dibs on the ears. Sure is great just getting out and about and eating some ice cream. Veins, arteries, and nerves, and the Halloween candy apple tree.